Ever since I saw these daylight alarms, I just had to have one. And I found one on the TikTok shop for a great deal, so I invested. So we are going to walk through setting one of the alarms and see how easy it is. So I'm going to set alarm number 2. Just hold down alarm 2. I already set it for 8:45, so we're going to confirm 8:45 a.m. And as you hear, now we're selecting what alarm you want to go off. So these are nature sounds. I'm a little worried about that one. I feel like if I hadn't gone to the bathroom yet, not a good idea. And then this one is your FM radio if you choose to use that and set that up. I'm going to go back and select we'll go with this one. Okay, so I'm going to confirm that. And now the volume on how loud you want that to be. Going to confirm that. And here's the light. So it gradually increases starting at 10 minutes before your alarm goes off. And at the 10th minute, that's when it's going to be the brightest. I love it. So we're going to leave it here. And the alarm is set. So you set that to go off in the morning or night, whatever your sleep schedule is. And like I said, it gradually increases for 10 minutes to go off. I'm super excited to use this. Cannot wait to wake up to this tomorrow morning. Click the link below to get yourself or somebody else on your Christmas list one of these alarms, as it is the best price I've seen it right here on the TikTok shop right now.